Okay.
The cinnamon challenge.
Let's try to swallow it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna beat the challenge. He's held it in longer than Seth. You gotta spit it out the back door.
I'm doing my salsa.
That will be the dragon. What is he? Is that part of the challenge? Is just to see how long you can hold it?
I don't know.
Hey, wait a minute. Look at me.
No.
Look at his teeth. Ah.
Come into the light.
Ah. Are you working? Oh, he did.
Oh my gosh, you can't.
Oh, we threw up.
You got any more puke? Blitz! No! Come! No! Blitz is gonna get the chunks.